Sandhya Angarala and I'm from class 8. This event that took place today, it was great. We got to learn a lot about periods and their myths and taboos, and I was with my friends, so it was definitely a really fun event. And we played games, we got to know a lot about the different aspects of periods, PCOS, PCOD, and all in all, it was great. We also got goodie bags from Team Sarona, which was definitely an add-on, and I really enjoyed it. This was the goodie bag that we got. It has a lot of essentials for your periods. We have pads, we have cramp relief, roll-ons, we have soap bars, we have stickers which are adorable, and we have masks, we have sanitary pads, we have period panties.
Hi, I am Kripan Sharma from class 11th F. The activities and the event today of the period party was really good. It was really informative and it was like tackling the taboos.
I'm Samvik Kaushik. मैं 9th A क्लास से हूँ and ये event मुझे बहुत ही informative and बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. I had lots of fun. My favorite part was the relay race. It was really interesting. And मुझे जो लगता था myths जो कि सच होती हैं वो actually myths हैं, झूठ हैं, ये जान के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. ऐसे events schools में और होने चाहिए एंड फ्रीक्वेंटली होने चाहिए जिससे इस बारे में अवेयरनेस बनी रहे एंड लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे एंड अकॉर्डिंगली लोग सही तरह से एक्ट कर पाए.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं पर्णिका मिश्रा क्लास 8A से हूँ. पर्सनली मुझे ये इवेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई रियली एंजॉयड दिस इवेंट. मतलब इतनी अच्छी गेम्स, इतना इंटरेक्टिव सेशन मैंने बहुत रेयरली देखा है. हमने आज पूरे दिन 2 गेम्स खेली विच वाज रिले एंड मिथ एंड फैक्ट. पर्सनली मेरी फेवरेट तो मिथ एंड फैक्ट थी. ये गेम बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग थी. मेरे को बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें पता लगी, बहुत नए मिथ्स और फैक्ट्स पता लगे पीरियड्स के बारे में जो हम बहुत टाइम से बिलीव करते हुए आ रहे हैं और जो मिथ हैं. ऐसी इवेंट सिर्फ हमारे स्कूल में नहीं और भी जगहों में होने चाहिए बिकॉज ये चीज़ें हमें बहुत शिक्षा देती हैं जो हर इंसान के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है.
मेरा नाम अनमोल है और मैं 9th D का स्टूडेंट हूँ और इस इवेंट से बहुत अवेयरनेस बढ़ी है और बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव इवेंट था. जो इसमें मिथ और फैक्ट वाला गेम खिलाया वो बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेटिव था और इससे कई सारी चीज़ें पता चली है जो मुझे नहीं पता थी पहले.
Myself Imsha Saifi and I'm from class 7A of Amity International School, Mayur Vihar. Today we had a workshop. It was a wonderful workshop. So we discussed how we should not place 2 pads together. It won't work very efficiently. So the right placement of the pad is very important. And also like any other products, first you should reach a gynecologist, discuss it with her. Should I use this this essential thing or not? Some girls even cry that I have periods. No, it's very normal. If you're having periods, your body is healthy.
Hi, my name is Prisha Sasdeva and I am from class 7B. Today's workshop was literally very good and we got a kit. This workshop really helped boys and girls also understand that periods is normal, no need to be ashamed of it and chill. It's just a period, you're not going to die. So yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Arna Jain of class 8 and today I attended the period party which was really a really good experience where we learned a lot of new things which taught us a lot about how to take care of ourselves during our periods. It taught us about a lot of factors that can contribute to PCOS and to PCOD. It taught us about the essentials that we need during our periods. The games were really fun. Everyone was really participative. Everyone was participating really nicely. And there was a lot of cheer and there was a lot of energy in everyone and everyone was participating really nicely. And it was a really good experience all in all. In addition to all the activities, we got these goodie bags from Sarona, which are really cute. So inside we have some masks, we have these cute stickers, we even got a bookmark, and we just have sanitary pads and a lot of period essentials. We have cramp relief roll-ons, we have disposal bags, and we have bathing bars, which are they're really gonna help everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Umama Rahman from class 8C. Today we had a workshop period party. In this workshop, there were many interesting things that we did, like we played games और इन गेम्स को खेलने में मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. एक गेम था मिथ्स वर्सेस फैक्ट, उसमें मैंने खुद पार्ट लिया था एंड उसमें हमें मिथ्स एंड फैक्ट्स को अलग करना था। वो गेम बहुत मज़ेदार थी। एंड वी ऑल्सो गॉट अ किट फ्रॉम सिरोना, and in that kit we had the essentials for period that every woman should have in their kits or in their bags. ये वर्कशॉप बिल्कुल भी बोरिंग नहीं थी, बहुत इंटरैक्टिव थी और मुझे इसमें बहुत मज़ा आया।